We have two polylines here. Suppose this is edge of a river. So someone asks, find the shortest distance between these two edges of the river. So how to find that? So we can do it easily in Civil 3D. So you need to go to Analyze tab, then go to here, minimum distance between two entities. So not only polylines, you can use right of way lines, alignments also for this task. So in this time, we are using the polyline. So I click here. So it is asking select the first entity, then select the second entity. So then it asks draw a shortest distance line. So when I say yes, it is drawing a shortest distance line between the shortest point of these polylines. So that is how to find the shortest distance between entities using the minimum distance between entities tool in Civil 3D.